and welcome. The goal for many is to attain financial stability and eventually financial freedom. The most common and possibly effective way to achieve this is to generate an income stream through investing in dividend stocks. This is why we've taken it upon ourselves to search out 7 amazing dividend stocks that deliver a dividend yield of over 5% for you. Whether you are in it for the short term or the long term, today's video will let you in on some of the best dividend stocks to consider adding to your portfolio right now. Before we get into our list, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on all the financially empowering videos we upload here. That said, let's find out about these 7 stocks with dividend yield of over 5%. Number 1. Alliancebernstein Holding LP. Alliancebernstein Holding LP is a global asset or investment management firm with headquarters located in Nashville, Tennessee, and locations globally. This firm provides investment management, research, and related services worldwide to a wide range of clients, such as institutional, high net worth, and retail investors. The company provides services to U.S. public and private employee benefit plans, foundations, public employee retirement funds, pension funds, endowments, banks, insurance companies, and high net worth individuals all over the world. Alliancebernstein Holding LP divides its business into 3 silos. It offers institutional services to its institutional clients, which include private and public pension plans, foundations and endowments, insurance companies, central banks and governments worldwide, and affiliates such as Equitable Holdings, IC, or EQH, and its subsidiaries. Its retail services distributes retail products and services through financial intermediaries, including broker-dealers, insurance sales representatives, banks, registered investment advisors, and financial planners. Private wealth management services its private clients, including high net worth individuals and families, trusts and estates, charitable foundations, partnerships, private and family corporations, and other entities. Over the past 5 years, AB stock has delivered a 110% return. Such an impressive performance qualifies it for inclusion in a growth-focused portfolio. However, this is a list that's focused on dividend stocks. And with its latest quarterly dividend of 89 cents per share, AB stock currently has a very attractive 7.6% dividend yield. Number 2. Arbor Realty Trust, Inc. Arbor Realty Trust is a specialized nationwide real estate finance company, investment trust, and direct lender that provides debt capital for the multifamily loan and commercial real estate industries. Arbor Realty Trust operates in 2 segments, structured business and agency business. The company is focused on investment types such as portfolio of structured finance assets in the multifamily, single-family, rental, and commercial real estate markets, primarily consisting of real estate-related bridge and mezzanine loans, including junior participating interests in first mortgages and preferred and direct equity. In limited cases, it also directly acquires discounted mortgage notes and other real estate-related assets. The multifamily real estate is a booming market at present. In 2020, despite the pandemic, construction of multifamily apartment buildings across America increased by 50%. Occupancy rates also increased. Reflecting that strength, ABR stock has been in high growth mode. Since the March 2020 market crash, shares in Arbor Realty Trust are up over 265%. Arbor Realty Trust is a high-performing dividend stock that currently offers investors an 8.2% dividend yield. Number 3. Artisan Partners Asset Management, Inc. Artisan Partners is an independent investment management firm focused on providing high value-added, active investment strategies to sophisticated clients globally. Artisan Partners Limited Partnership, or APLP, is an investment advisor registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Artisan Partners UK LLP, APUK, is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and is a registered investment advisor with the SEC. APEL Financial Distribution Services Limited, or AP Europe, is authorized and regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland. APLP, APUK, and AP Europe are collectively with their parent company and affiliates, referred to as Artisan Partners herein. Artisan Partners reported just how dramatically its business had picked up from 2020 in its latest quarterly earnings. Year-to-date, or YTD, revenue was up 43% compared to 2020, with earnings per share, EPS, up 65%. Furthermore, the company reported that on an annualized basis, its revenue has grown at approximately 11% per year over the past 5 years and 10% per year over the past decade. Lastly, over the past 5 years, APAM stock is up 51%. This past quarter also saw Artisan Partners declare a $1.07 per share quarterly cash dividend. This shows Artisan Partners to be a company with a consistent and a successful business track record. At this point, APAM's dividend ratio stands at an astonishing 9.6%, which is the highest on this list. Number 4. Golden Ocean Group Ltd. With headquarters in Hamilton, Golden Ocean Group is a Bermuda-registered, Norway-based international dry bulk shipping company. The company, formerly Knightsbridge Shipping Limited, was created as a demerged part of Frontline in 2004 and listed on the Oslo Stock Exchange. As an international dry bulk shipping company, Golden Ocean Group Limited is engaged in the transportation of dry bulk cargoes. It owns and operates a fleet of dry bulk cargo vessels, focusing on the massive Capesize, Panamax, and Supramax ships that have been in incredibly high demand through 2021. Its vessels transport a range of major and minor bulk commodities, including ores, coals, grains, and fertilizers. Its fleet includes owned vessels, bareboat vessels, chartered vessels, commercial management vessels, and new buildings. It owns over 40 dry bulk carriers and has contracts for over 20 new buildings. It also has over 10 vessels chartered in, of which over 8 are chartered in from ship finance and over 5 are chartered in from third parties, and over 1 vessel chartered in through a joint venture. Approximately 6 of the vessels are chartered out on fixed-rate time charters, and the other operates in the spot market or fixed on index-linked time charter contracts. In 2020, there was less demand for big vessel because of the pandemic. Last year, Golden Ocean Group had to slash its dividend to a single payment of 5 cents per share. However, outside of that anomaly, GOGL has paid quarterly dividends like clockwork for decades. With that 85 cents per share dividend payment from the third quarter, GOGL's stock dividend yield is very attractive. Number 5. Oaktree Specialty Lending Corp. Oaktree Specialty Lending Corporation is a specialty finance company that provides customized one-stop credit solutions to companies with limited access to public or syndicated capital markets. Based in Los Angeles, Oaktree Specialty Lending Group has been in business since 2007 and publicly traded since 2008. Acting as a business development company, their aim is to generate current income and capital appreciation by providing companies with flexible and innovative financing solutions, including first and second lien loans, unsecured and mezzanine loans, and preferred equity. Oaktree Specialty Lending Corp serves various industries. The company is providing customized, flexible, one-stop credit solutions to companies with limited access to public or syndicated capital markets. It operates as an alternative asset manager that provides financing solutions to private, small, and mid-sized growing businesses. It offers first and second lien loans, unsecured and mezzanine loans, bonds, preferred equity, and certain equity co-investments. The corporation is noted on this list because the company has a proven track record of paying dividends. This goes right back to the 2008 market listing. With that in mind, the company currently offers investors an 8.5% dividend yield. Number 6. Southern Copper Corp. Southern Copper Corporation is a leading mining company and integrated copper producer that was founded in 1952. The current incarnation of Southern Copper can be traced to the 2005 acquisition of Southern Peru Copper Corporation by the Mexican copper producer Minera Mexico. Copper is a hot product at the moment because of its use in so many industries. Naturally, sky-high copper prices have raised interest in copper mining companies. As an established mining company with highly productive mines, proven reserves, and a $43.8 billion market cap, this is a market that Southern Copper Corporation is at the forefront of. Based on 2007 reserves data, Southern Copper is the world's largest publicly traded copper mining company and the world's 7th largest copper mining company based on 2007 sales. In addition, the firm is the 8th largest copper smelting company. The firm also ranks among the world's largest producers of molybdenum, silver, and zinc. As a dividend stock, Southern Copper Corporation offers a 6.72% dividend yield. Number 7. Teekay LNG Partners, LP Common Stock. Teekay LNG Partners is one of the world's largest independent owners and operators of LNG carriers. It is an international provider of marine transportation services for liquefied natural gas, or LNG, liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, and crude oil. The company is focused on servicing its customers through its fleet of LNG and LPG carriers under medium to long-term fixed-rate charters. Its segments include liquefied gas segment and conventional tanker segment. Unlike the other stocks on this list, Teekay LNG Partners has not delivered significant growth over the past 5 years. The company's stock is up just 17% since December 2016. However, that is set to change. Last year, liquefied natural gas was at historic low prices. This year, prices have hit record highs. And with countries like China working to cut coal use for power generation, LNG demand is set to remain strong for the foreseeable future. That reversal has pushed TGP shares to an impressive 48% growth so far in 2021. Even during last year's cratering of LNG prices, TK was able to continue paying a dividend. As prices have surged, so has TK's dividend payments. In the latest quarter, that amounts to 29 cents per share and a 6.8% dividend yield. For income-oriented investors who are focused on long-term payments over years or even decades, staking out a position that pays you 5% or more in annual dividends over that extended holding time can be very profitable. With this list of dividend stocks that pay over 5% dividend yields, you're all set up to have a financially buoyant year in 2022. Which of these stocks would you like to purchase? Which have you already invested in? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Give that big old notification bell a ring to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button so we know to keep creating more videos just like this one for you. We have a lot of other videos you can check out as well. On that note, we draw the curtain. Have a profit-filled day. Bye for now.